Okay, I will just do a very quick start. So, for those who can't join in, this will be a recorded video. So today is the Saturday, is a Saturday night at around 8:50 p.m. So I will talk about this seminar called Traders Talk, which is the virtual strategy summit. So I will just do a very quick update regarding on my signal, regarding on my current product that I'm running, and also my achievement on the January to February and March, and also my target on March to June. So what am I going to do, and also the analysis later on. So first of all, I would like to do a disclaimer. The sharing that I'm going to share is just for my own experience purpose. And for those who are watching right now, I just want to let you guys know that there is a few scammer that spot recently that using my name to collect some so-called the fund or the money from the victims. So make sure that check the profile that request the money from you, because I would never send the first message to you, and I would never ask you to deposit to my own personal account or others dummy account. So these are the scammer profile that you need to alert. And my social media profile, I have a few. So for Instagram, you can look for this one, CZKey_FX. So those scammer, they would just use like maybe double underscore or maybe FX and dot. So those writing like this will confuse you. So make sure that you won't fall into the scam. And also I have my YouTube channel, which is called CZKey and the only CZKey, which I will share always every week. I will share in the group. And this is my YouTube channel. And Facebook, I'm not very active in Facebook currently. Even though I'm not active, but I still have my page with name CZK_FX as well. So you can see that the follower is just 3 and I'm not following anyone. So even though the scammer has more followers than me. And also TikTok, I have my TikTok account. And the last one, I have my LinkedIn account. So LinkedIn is much more on focus on overseas market and international interaction and connection to the others, broker, traders, and so on. So these are the profile that from myself. Other than this profile, those are just scammer. So make sure that when you want to do something, let's say for example, you want to transfer some fund into a broker or anyone else, make sure that you can just always double check with me. And you have my number, you have my Telegram, you have all my contacts, so you can contact me in any way. So make sure that you can hear my voice or even though video call with my face to double check. So after that, I'm going to share with you the signal that I've been covering for the past 2 months, which is January and February. So in January, I have 12 win and 7 lose. So this signal is just trade on Euro US dollar pair, and I will share with just one signal per day. So the signal will always share after 4 p.m., which is the London section. So I won't share any time other than London section. For example, I won't suddenly share with the signal early morning, and I won't share the signal late night. For example, during end of the New York section, I won't share like this. So the signal I will share, let's say for example, 4 p.m. If let's say 4 p.m. we don't have the significant confirmation, I will wait for the another H1 close, which is 5 p.m. So if let's say 5 p.m. don't have signal, I will share at 6 p.m. So these are the signal that I'm covering at this moment. So on January, you can see that the performance I'm quite satisfied with. We have 12 win and 7 lose. So when the moment when we have the consistent win, right, we have the confidence. And the moment when we lose just a few, we will still confident and we won't have much emotion. But during February, that is another story, which I have a losing streak around 3 times, which just last week, which happened last week. So I'm going to cover with you guys as well later on the emotion that how I encounter and what the feeling that I have when I started to do this signal service. So when I started the signal service, at first, the first week, I'm quite tension and quite nervous because around 20 of people joining, and I just worry that the signal that I'm giving out will just got some stop loss. So at first I'm quite nervous. After this second week, I'm pick up back and I just share whatever that I see in my system. So throughout the journey, I'm quite satisfied with my performance because I can say that I follow 100% of my trading system, which I didn't do any revenge trade. I didn't do any so-called recover entry or layering entry. So this is the performance during January, and officially started is February, which is last month. So the result is slightly lost. So for those who, let's say you follow 100%, you will have the drawdown like my account. I have followed this signal services with my own prop firm account. So currently my prop firm account is under drawdown. So you see the performance is 9 win, 10 loss. So if let's say you alert on my signal group, my Telegram channel, right? I'm confident that if let's say you follow 100% of my signal, then when you have the drawdown of let's say 50%, I will refund it, the 25% cover it up for you. Why I have this kind of confidence? Because of I have my backtest result of the past 6 months and almost a year, to be specific, almost a year with this trading system set up. So during February, of course, the first week, I'm quite okay with the result because we have the 3 win and 2 lose. And moving forward to the second week, we have slightly drawdown, which we have the 3 losses. So you see, during Monday, when started on Monday, when I share the signal, we have the stop loss. Then I have to make sure that I won't do anything silly, because I trust my system that the next day would be covered it up, because we are trading in very long journey and we are not just focused on one single day. So this is something that we call it the mindset that you need to be prepared. So how you're going to be prepared on this kind of mindset is you need to do your back test, you need to do your homework. So when you have seen the result by your own eyes, you will have the confidence level like myself. So even though I have the losing rate like 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, I won't change on the system, because I understand that in a year 12 months, it is impossible that we will have 100% of win rate, 100% of profit month, or 100% of profit week. But in overall, we just need to make sure that our performance is keep growing. So I would like to share that usually this trading setup is will got stop loss on NFP, especially NFP. You can see that on Friday, first Friday is always the loose one. So I will try to avoid NFP trading setup on upcoming signal channel. So after this, I have summary that the things that I have learned throughout these services. So number one is I share the signal on time, which after 4 p.m. And the second one is I don't do any revenge or recovery NT. So if let's say that you are joining some so-called the signal groups, then they will just keep pushing you to entry. This is the reason that why they keep pushing you is because they want to earn the rebate. Of course, the more you entry, the more that they earn from the rebate. But for myself, I'm thinking that this is not the thing that I'm going to do for you guys. So I will just share one entry per day. And I don't have any recover entry, or I don't have any tentative signal, because I joined some signal group before when I started in Forex journey as well. Then I truly understand that if let's say I'm sharing the signal tentative, the moment when I miss the trade is the moment that the trade is going to make the profit. And the moment when I follow 100% of the so-called the signal, that's the moment that I got my stop loss. So I realized that this is the reality that happened, and that's the reason that's majority of the signal group are failed. So how am I going to fix this? I fix the time to entry, which is focused only in London section. And before I give any signal trade call, I will remind that I will send a remind notification in the group saying that I'm going to share the signal later on. So for example, the signal that I'm looking for is, let's say 4 p.m. So at 3:50, usually I would say 10 minutes countdown and 5 minutes countdown, 1 minute countdown. Make sure that you get ready on your trading account, your lot size. And this is something that the followers need to commit, to be honest, because even though I have fixed the time, some of the followers couldn't make it to follow 100% as well. So if let's say you can't give a little bit of commitment, I can say that you can't do really well on your trading journey as well, because that is always the opportunity cost. You want to make sure that you want to grow in trading, you have to spend your time on trading. So if let's say you want to build out the trading system, you have to spend your time to do the back test, spend your time to do the homework. So spend your time to understand your own personality, your daily routine, and your daily life. So when you realize that this kind of thing, I would recommend that you take a paper, write it down, and if let's say you want to practice or build this trading system, the first thing you can do is set the time reminder. So the time reminder is like you set the alarm like 4 p.m., 5 p.m. Look at the chart only after London section. So this is something that you can build on your discipline. So this is how I build actually. So last time when I want to build this kind of trading behavior, I will set the alarm. So I will set my routine, because I always tell the people that I met is to get the consistent result, you have to do the consistent action. So to keep it simple, my daily lifestyle is quite boring, because I can have my meal every single day, the same meal. I mean, the food that I'm consume. Early morning, I will get my protein oat. Then I will go to exercise. So after this, I will do some recording video, do some contents. During lunchtime, I will just go to the same kopitiam or cafe that have the same meal every single day. So before London section 3 p.m., before 3 p.m., I will make sure that I don't have any appointment. I don't have anything that will happen throughout these trading hours. So if let's say you look at my signal, I never miss sending the signal. Even though I am at the outside, I'm driving, or I am having some appointment, I will stop it and make sure that I'm commit to the group. So some of the signal I send actually during my driving. So I couldn't make it to my house, and at that moment I have two choices. Number one is I stop at somewhere else and analyze the chart. Second, I will just skip the day. So the commitment that I'm going to commit is I don't want to let my followers disappointed or miss any single trade. So I decided to stop at somewhere else and stay in the cafe, and I can just analysis with my laptop. So this is something that commitment that you need to think about it, because if let's say you didn't spend more time on building the system, you will lose the direction. You will never improve your trading. So I know it's very hard. I know it's very difficult for you to build up your trading system, to do the homework, to do the back test, but it really worth your time. Because for example, you can look at my trading. It's very simple. I look at this one. I look at the confirmation. No confirmation, no trade. If let's say I see the confirmation, I entry without think twice. I just entry. So this looks like very simple, but to trust this kind of trading system, you need the back test. You need to do the homework. You need to understand your trading routine in order to build out your trading system. Okay. So I have conclude and summary that I have two choices right now to do the better improvement on the so-called the signal group. So right now we are in the low risk with which we have the lower drawdown. Of course, with the lower drawdown, we have the low return, or even we just have the break even end of the month. However, the good thing is having the low risk is we have the stable emotion control, because the loss side that I'm suggest and recommend is like 0.05 and 0.05 to 0.08, because we are risking just 5% per trade, which is around $10 of the $200 capital. So if let's say we are risking 15 pips, our lot size is 0.08. If let's say we are risking 20 pips, the lot size that I encourage and recommend is 0.05. And this is we only trade on Euro US dollar only. However, I have a thinking that even though we have the win rate of 50-50, how we are going to earn the money end of the month or even end of the week is I'm thinking of trading with the concept of martingale. I will explain later on. So martingale is like, for example, I'm risking on Monday, I'm risking $10. So if let's say on Monday is TP, then it's fine. Tuesday, I'm risking $10 as well. Then if let's say Tuesday, we got the stop loss. On Wednesday, we will start risking the double lot size, which we will risk $20. So if let's say, for example, on Wednesday, right, $20, if let's say we hit the TP, so we have covered the Tuesday stop loss. So starting onwards on Thursday, we have to set back. We have to start back with risking only $10. Okay. So I would just write it down. I would just draw it for you to better understand. Because why I'm thinking of martingale is based on the result or back test result, forward test result. Touch wood lah, consistent lose is just happened 3 times. 3 times only. Just happened last month out of the 6 months of trading result. So meaning that if let's say we have the lose, on the next day we will just double the martingale to cover it up. So of course this will be the higher drawdown, and of course it will be the higher return, and it might be some emotion effect, because for example, if let's say I have consistent losing like 3 times like last week, so first I risk on $10, second I risk $20, also got the stop loss, so I'm losing around $30 already. So on the third day I'm risking $40, so 40, 20, 10, I'm losing around $70, which is more than 50% already on the trading account. But how am I going to encounter is, let's say, for example, okay, I will just take this result. Okay, so for example, on Monday, on Monday we win. We have the TP, $10, right? Okay. On Tuesday, we are losing $10. So on Wednesday, we are risking $20 and we got the TP. Okay. And then on Thursday, we got the TP as well. So if let's say we really want to do this kind of martingale, for me to reduce the risk is we have to reduce the threat. So when let's say we achieve or we hit some target on the particular weeks, we have to stop. We have to stop trading because on this probability, we consider on 1-and-1 risk reward, right? 50-50 probability. We need to reduce the threat when we hit certain target. So I was thinking that if let's say when we achieve, let's say 3 TP per week, 3 TP, then we can stop already. No need to keep on risking because 3 TP means that you are hitting 15% when you are risking 5% per trade. Okay. So for example, this one, okay. This one we are earning $30, which is 15%. Okay, we stop trade. This one we no trade. On Friday, we no trade. Okay. So on Monday, right, you see, minus $10. Tuesday, plus $20 because we are risking the double. Okay. Okay. So Wednesday, minus $10 also. So we haven't hit the 3 TP, so we will just continue to trade. On Thursday, let's say, we are risking $20. And Friday, we are losing and we got the stop loss $10. So you see, on this second weeks, how much we lose? We are losing minus $10. Right? We are losing $10. So after this, on the third week, let's say Monday, $10 TP. Good. So when we TP, we didn't do any martingale. We just continue with the fixed lot size, which we risk $10. Okay, so on Wednesday, right, minus 10. So Thursday, we are risking $20. Okay, so you see, look at this scenario. We have already achieved 3 TP. So on Monday, we will just no trade. So how much we are collecting on third week? We are collecting $30 because we already achieved the 15%. Understand? Okay. So on the final week, okay, $10, we are losing $10. Tuesday, we are losing $10. So on Wednesday, we are risking double, $20. Thursday, we are losing $40. So on the final week, how much we lose? We are losing 60. Okay. We are losing 60. So end of the result is we have a minus of $10. The good thing of martingale is it will require less entry and you can recover on just single entry. For example, right now we are losing, let's say this final week, we are losing $70. So on Monday, this upcoming Monday, let's say let's say on this upcoming Monday, right, on March. Monday. I just need TP on. Let's say I am risking $140. I need to top up 140 in order to cover back up whatever that I losing. If let's say you are choosing on martingale strategy, you need to make sure that you can control your emotion and you can be ready on top up the account. Because once you top up the account and you didn't do any silly mistake, which you were just layering or whatever shit you do, it can be safe. Because once you recover back, you just need to risk back the original, which is 5% or $10. So this is the difference between high risk and low risk. So for you guys, let's say you guys are listening right now, do you guys prefer on low risk? Then end of the month, we will have maybe slightly profit, slightly loss, or break even, or higher risk, which we will have higher profit, higher risk. So let me know in the comment which one you guys prefer. But this one, even myself, because whatever that I share to public, I will first experiment myself first. Even though myself go and because I trust my sister 100%, which I won't have any losing streak of 3 times, maximum 2 times. So on Thursday that I'm thinking that I can recover it up, but end up the market didn't follow what I wish. So I have hit the consistent losing streak. Then I have to top up the account in order to cover it up. So on Thursday, I have a little bit of pressure because I know that this is not only myself, because I have 20 of people following my thread. And how am I going to recover that? It's always very simple. I just need to leave all the social media aside and take a break and go to sleep. After this, I will just recover automatically on the next day. This is a good thing of myself because I will never bring the past result to present. Whatever happened, it happened. We need to keep moving on. Okay? So some of you are looking for high risk, some of you maybe low risk. So it depends. I share the strategy to you. You can do the mathematical calculation, or we can discuss it after this. Okay? And then after that, I would like to share on my achievement, something good to share. Okay, on January and February, I have partnership with the broker called Pepperstone, and we have achieved the target that set by Pepperstone. And this result is achieved with the team of TFS. I think you guys know, Kariamid, Alan, Rizwan. Then we achieved the target together with Pepperstone. Second achievement is I passed my proform in Alpha Capital. And also the third one is Founder Engineer. I have 2 accounts last time. I have 300K account and I have 100K account. So they're able to reset back my 300K account, but I requested to refund on my 100K. Until today, I haven't get the refund yet. It's been a month. And the excuse that they are giving is they're having some technical issue on the Stripe account. So they are not able to refund to me yet. But my name is on the list, they said. So after this, the last one is I started my Signal group, which I never think that I will start this one. But then in order to diversify my income, because why am I doing this? A lot of products, for example, like Signal group, indicator, mem, copy thread. Because I understand that we need to have a backup income. Because last year, when I have fully 100% income relying on prop firm, then the shit happened. My Forex fund, the funded trader, and last few months, the migration of the Meta course ban all the prop firm. So I realized that we can't really just rely on one single income because that is always a risk. That's why that I need to have built out multiple source of income, but then this multiple source of income is under the same category. The same category, which is financial Forex. So in financial Forex, right, you can earn a good money if let's say you are offering your courses. If let's say you are offering the signal, you are doing the EA, or you are doing the ebook personal coaching. So there is plenty of product that I have. Summary, there is nine type of income. Nine type of income that you can generate it out in Forex trading. Okay. So this is the reason that I started some product. Okay. And then for my Q2 target, which is happening on, let's say, actually is March to June. But then I just started, I want to build up 3 other traders. I want to build out 3 other traders that can earn a good income. Okay. How to earn a good income is trader just focus on analysis. And then my side, I will set up a marketing team to handle all the social media. Because trader need to just focus on analysis. If let's say you want to ask a trader to do some content, to do a sharing, especially for the full-time trader, they do not want to do this kind of sharing. Because I know a lot of, not a lot, I know a few of full-time trader, they would think that why they want to take so much time on spending to share, because they don't get any benefit from there. So how am I going to do is I will group up a group of traders, and the second one I will group up a group of marketing people. The marketing people is like the manager to the traders. So they will handle their content, they will handle their video, they will handle their design, they will handle their ads. So I would design the 9 type of income to these 3 traders. No matter they want to start a course, they want to start an ebook, they want to start a signal, indicator, EA, whatever, I can help them to build out from scratch. And my marketing team will go and promote it out. This is how I want to grow my circle. Okay. And the third one is I want to set up the remaining products, which currently I'm doing the indicator and also my trading system. And this month onwards, I will travel more on overseas market. Malaysia, I won't focus much because it's quite headache and the return is not something that worth of my time, because Malaysia market is quite messy right now. And people can get the so-called the education easily. And the mindset of trader in Malaysia is not that really solid, not that really matured, because they want to get rich fast. They want to learn something that in very shortcut. And they want to get something that is guaranteed. And if let's say you put your shoes on my side, you can think that I spend so much time on explaining in Malaysia market and just get a little bit of appreciation. And also, to be honest, no one really appreciate me, even though I do the free class, I do the sharing, I do the whatever that I know. No much people that really appreciate of my hard work. But if let's say I'm doing this to the 10 people in Malaysia, I can do 100 in overseas market. And I can get 10 times return from overseas. So currently I'm traveling this month. I will travel to Vietnam. I will travel to Thailand. I will travel to Australia. And I will start reduce my time on Malaysia market. Okay. So of course, those who join my group, I will still take care. I will still look after my signal client. So no worry if let's say you are in the group. But then I will spend more time on building up overseas market. Okay. So what is in my product list is this. I will do the signal, I will do the copy trade, I will do MEM account, PEM account, I will do personal coaching only, and I will do the indicator EA, and I will also do the IB development. So if let's say you are interested on want to get one, if let's say you are serious on building Forex in long journey, you can text me, just DM me and let me know your experience. Let me know what you want to achieve. Then we can discuss how to build up from scratch. And if let's say you have no time, you just want to have some daily guideline, daily signal, you can join my signal group. So if let's say you want to learn to build your trading system, you want to learn how to overcome your, let's say, your fear, your emotion, you can look on my personal coaching. If let's say you want to so-called build something that automate, I have the programmer to help you to build your EA as well. So in Malaysia, I was more focused on just signal, personal coaching, and copy trade. So the others one, I will just focus on overseas market. Okay, I will just focus on overseas market. So if let's say you are interested in anything, you can just drop me a DM or drop me in my Telegram. Okay. Okay, let me look at the comment. Prefer to maintain with low risk, but in first 2 weeks, we hit more than 50% loss. The balance week, we change to martingale to recover loss. Aman, for me, right, I will always say that do not change anything. Do not change or edit anything when you are in the trading. Because when you are trading, right, you need to focus 100% with the same behavior. So once you keep on changing, for example, the third week, you want to change the marketing gear, your emotion will affect a lot. If let's say not you lah, myself, I will have, even though I have stable emotion, I have all those experience, it will still happen to me. So I'm afraid that it will go worse, even worse to the newbie out there. So I will say that just you can pick yourself, you can manage your risk yourself. Either you want to go the martingale or you want to go the low risk. I think at least we should have 2-to-1 risk and reward ratio. Okay, let's say 1-to-2 risk and reward, right? So if let's say you just look at Euro US dollar 1-to-2, which means that we are risking 20 pips, we want to get 40 pips. You can backtest on February and January. How many times it happened goes to the 1-to-2 risk and reward ratio? I can say that in a month, right, not more than 10 trades. I think around five trades only, 1-to-2. So when the market is not happening, when the signal is not happening that will give you 1-to-2, right? Even though you have the, let's say you have the win rate of 40%, but the moment that you don't have the trading opportunity daily base, you can't survive in your signal group. You can't survive on your account. So I have two types of trading strategy. One, I separate it into a few accounts. So few of my account is followed 100% of whatever that I share in the signal group. The others one is my main trading account, which is I trade on structure break base. So the structure break I'm targeting on 1-to-3. So targeting on 1-to-3 in a month, sometimes because I focus on just few pairs, sometimes it just happen like 4-to-5 times only. So throughout the whole month, right, when you have so little bit of trading opportunity, you will lose your trading passion. You will lose your trading objective. You will feel that insecure and uncertainty. Because you have to understand that I am 100% rely on my trading income. So if let's say you imagine that you don't have any income coming in, so you will start doing the silly mistake. This is my sharing on my journey last year happened. That's why I do a slightly adjustment on daily entry one and also the structure break. So this is something that you see, sometimes the reality is different of what we are imagine one. If let's say, for example, if let's say people always say that risk reward, you need to have a higher risk reward. Even though I myself also encourage higher risk reward, there is no right, there is no wrong. But when this confirmation of significant move, right, is not happen on daily base, it not happen frequently, you will start have nothing to do. So when you have nothing to do, your emotion won't in a stable zone one. Because this is my experience that last time it's really I hope that you guys won't have this kind of experience. And this is the reason that it's very hard to explain. I think I will just come up with one new topic that explaining the differentiate between risk and reward 1-to-1, but higher win rate compared to higher risk and reward but lower win rate. This is something that interesting because I found out this when I just found out this, I think just last 2 months ago. Yes, I just found out this last 2 months ago. I will come up with the topic, okay? So we will do the weekly analysis. Okay. Can see my chart, right? This is EU. I will cover up. Can we set every 2 weeks we make a withdrawal? You can withdraw anytime. You can withdraw anytime. I didn't force you not to withdraw. So as long as, okay, you are making profit, you just withdraw. Withdraw as much as soon as you can, because you need to withdraw back your capital first, then you only can so-called the risk-free. Okay. So this is Euro US dollar in daily time frame. So I will, if let's say those who are new here, in order to easy to spot this is uptrend, downtrend, or sideways, you can use this arrow. Okay. After that, you can just pull it up. You can see that low, high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Structure break here. Can see the structure break is here. So in daily time frame, that is structure break first. So this is 1 hour time frame. Let me zoom out first. 1 hour time frame, you can see that this area is the structure break area. This is the structure break on the daily just now. So you see this is the, let's say, resistance, 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 breakout, resistance becomes support. So right now is in the support zone. After this, price is climbing up last Friday after the bounce. So currently you can see that in 1 hour time frame, right? This is a sideways. You can see, right? This is sideways. So we want to see that on Monday, would it be the structure break here? High, low, higher high. Would it be the structure break here, or the price can reject and continue for the bullish? So for just now that daily time frame, right, I am more on staying on the bullish side at this moment because of the structure break on bullish. So after this, I am staying bullish on Euro US dollar. So the next one will be pound dollar. Pound dollar, you see, sideways. Look at this zone, sideways zone. So if let's say you are trend trader, it's very hard for us to trade in sideways. In 1 hour time frame, right? Okay, look at this. Reasoning is a bit of challenge on trading because you see, even though I have see the structure break here. You see the structure break, we have the low, high, lower low structure break. I take the Fibo. Okay, you see, price. Let's say I looking for 1 to 3, right? Usually I will just set my pending order at 1.2615, for example, this case. So if let's say, you see, the entry didn't hit my pending order, but then it hit the TP1. So how are you going to stable your emotion when you keep on missing out this kind of trading opportunity? Okay, so this is a structural break on the pound dollar, and after this, prices do a very quick spike. I think a lot of people get spiked this move, and after the quick spike and break the support, a lot of support resistance trader will go and short it. And after they look at this candle, just bounce back. So it's crazy move. So on GBP US dollar, I'm looking on the retracement and continue for the bullish trading in the sideway. Just trading in the sideway on pound dollar. And then after this, on the dollar yen. Dollar yen currently, if let's say you look at the 4-hour time frame, it is in the sideway as well. Okay, this is the sideway in 1 hour time frame. Okay, in 1 hour time frame, price is in the middle. If let's say you want to short it, make sure that the price is above or and happen on the structure break. Then we only can short it. This is for dollar yen. And after this, for Euro JPY yen, you look at the daily. This is very uptrend. So my view is stay on the bullish side on Euro JPY yen. Okay, price is respecting the trading channel, and I'm staying bullish at this moment. In 1 hour time frame, look at this one. We have the low, we have the high, we have the lower low, we have the structure break. So if let's say you take a Fibo, currently I'm looking for the first target is here. Okay, so something that if let's say you want to trade, stay on the bullish side, can be more safe. And the next one will be pound JPY yen. Pound JPY yen, I'm staying the same view on the yen pair, on the Euro JPY yen. Okay, we have the structure break here. That's it. My trading is quite simple. Okay, look at this one. It's so trending. So always stay with the bullish side. Will have the more winning rate. Okay, and the last one will be gold. Gold, currently the gold is almost hit at the higher on last year December, which is around 20 active X. And don't forget that the all-time high is happened last year early December as well, 2143 level. So I think that gold can be retraced on the higher level. Okay, so gold can be retest on the all-time high level. It's so bullish. There is no reason that you go and just short it. I know that the range is big, even though you scalp it like 50, 100 pips is good enough, but it can happen 100 to 200 pips in just 5 minutes on gold pair. So if let's say you are trading, you are new, try to avoid gold. And this kind of move, right, will make a lot of people get rich, like Bitcoin. They will make a lot of people get rich, and they will make a lot of people MC as well. So in market, right, online, when you look at the social media, a lot of people were showing up their profit. You might understand that what is the reason that they keep showing you the profit. And those who MC, do they show you the stop loss account? So what is the reason they want to show you the profit? You have to think twice. So like myself, even though I'm sharing profit, I share my loss as well. I'm very transparent in trading. So when I hit the profit, I share the happiness. When I hit the loss, I try to share my experience on how I'm going to cover when I have losing trade, or how am I going to comfort myself on the bad trading weeks. Okay. So this is the analysis on upcoming weeks. And let me look at, okay. Yeah, you can set every 2 weeks. So it's a very quick sharing. I hope you guys enjoy, and any question that you guys would like to ask,